Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I have a new subscription box company that I'm paying for myself. I've ended up choosing BattlBox. This is the basic box. They have a couple different options on there. This is their welcome kit, and the price for the basic is $24.95, and also shipping and handling. So I didn't think which was too bad. So we're just going to dive into this. So really excited. It definitely feels like there's some weight to it, and let's just dive into this. Okay, so the first thing that they give you is kind of what you're getting for your value in that. So I'm just going to kind of put this off to the side. I'm going to put this off to the side. So the first thing we are getting is actually a backpacker's pantry. This is Louisiana beans and rice. So this is kind of like a mountain house meal. Sorry with the glare. So that's really pretty cool. It's got the nutrients, tells you how to, kind of gives you how to cook and stuff. So, okay, I'm digging that. That's pretty cool. Now, this is pretty sweet. An emergency sleeping bag. Very small, compact, so if you were putting it in a bug out bag, very small, very compact. Definitely I'm going to open this up to kind of see how big it is, but that's really cool. I'm already digging it. And let's see what we got here. This is a water drop water filter. So it kind of tells you, okay, so it's a bag. So what you do is you peel this off, and as you follow the direction, you put it in the stream, and then it filters it, and then you can has with the drinking straw. Okay, this is really cool, really good to have. Blocks bacteria, viruses. Easy to use. Now this is really cool. Like, I'm really digging this, man, for the first one. And you got a few more items in there. So all-weather fire. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna take this off camera for a second. It's a screwed on. Let's see what this is. They're like little fire chips that you just light it and good to go. Then the last item we got here, kind of curious to see what this is. Looks like a flashlight. All right, does not have any batteries, but that's okay. Says BattlBox on there, which that's kind of cool. So wow, definitely very excited that I'm glad I got this. So as you can see, the basic is $24.99. The cost of the value of they're saying is $51.46. So they're saying the Self-Reliance Outfitter Mini Inferno, which is this guy right here, they're saying that's $7.99. So that's pretty cool. Then they're saying the pantry, the backpacker thing here, the Louisiana, $4.50, which that's not bad. That's right in the price of a mountain house meal. And then the flashlight, it says does not include batteries, which is fine. $10. So $10 for the flashlight is good. And then the survival frog is what they're calling this. They're saying that is $19.99. And then oh, it's a 5-pack. So they're saying you're getting the water drop is a 5-pack for $8.99. So getting all that for $24.99 with shipping and handling is pretty good. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to get it all spread out so you can kind of see everything. All right, as you can see, I got everything laid out. I put batteries in the flashlight, standard flashlight, as you can see. I actually have a light on. Let me turn that light off. So as you can see, the cool thing, this small little guy even has a strobe. I know some flashlights are, let me get my side light back on. I know some lights, some small lights do not have that feature, but for this to have a nice little strobe, and I kind of like how it you know, you can almost use this if you have this in your pocket and someone's going to attack you, you could actually kind of use it for self-defense. So that's really kind of nice, and it has the clip there. So super stoked about the flashlight. The emergency blank, the sleeping bag is really cool. This little fire tin is absolutely fantastic. The little the backpacker's pantry, very excited for that. I'm actually gonna do a taste test on this one because I want to see how that compares to a Mountain House. And then this water drop filter, the 5-pack that you get. So very excited to have that. Now I'm going to show you, because they have other things you can get. It tells you what you get for, you know, so that was the basic, what we went for. As you can see, the advantage is you get the BattlBox Basic, and then you are getting a BattlBox camp bottle set with a bail and striker. And then if you got the Pro, you get a 72-hour bug out bag, and then a fishing trap. And then if you go to the Big Pro Plus, which is 150. So right now I'm very happy with the basic right now. I think maybe eventually I might jump up to the advantage, but right now just sticking with the basic here, I am very, very happy. I know this was kind of their kind of welcome box, so I'm hoping that next month that I get is going to be just as good as it, so there's not a fall off like how Crate Club did. And so very excited that I chose BattlBox, and even the price point is very worth it. I do believe what I got here is it's worth the money that I'm paying for. So definitely 2 thumbs up from Easy Prepper 101. I know a lot of people do BattlBox unboxings, but you know, for me, coming from Crate Club, which was an absolute terrible, and you know, and that first box that I got from Crate Club was the Gerber neck knife and a sticker, which was okay. That was still, I was paying $34. Here I paid $25 in shipping, and I really, this is your money's worth in a nutshell and stuff like that. And you know, write in the comments down below if this video out. I really love doing these unboxings. You know, there's a lot of great people that say, well, you know, if you're a real prepper, you know, you're not buying these BattlBox, or you're not buying excuse me, these subscription bases. But if you're new to prepping and you're not sure what you want to get, you might start off with getting a subscription company like BattlBox, or you know, the other ones out there. But right now, if I can help people to steer them in the right direction, not to waste their hard-earned money, something like what Crate Club did, you know, BattlBox is, you know, right now this is worth it. I mean, you know, hands down, it's just worth it in my opinion. And I'm definitely gonna stick with this for a little bit, you know, for a little bit while, and just to see how it comes. Definitely, I do not need to even try to make, you know, my own BattlBox, because there's no way I'm going to be able to, you know, come close to the $25 of getting the sleeping bag, this the food here, the fire. These are hands down great things for starters, for preppers and stuff like that. But yeah, just rambling on. I'm just super stoked. This was kind of something what I was hoping to get, and very happy for that. So like I said, write down in the comments section if this video helped you, and you know, let me know if you've gotten BattlBox. What are some of your items that you've gotten from them? Because you know, I've watched a lot of other people do it, and I always like to hear what their favorite item was. So, and I'm gonna kind of do that, kind of do something different. What was my favorite item out of the BattlBox here is definitely gonna say the emergency sleeping bag. I mean, they all have some great, the water drop, the food, the flashlight, the little fire kit. But I'm gonna say this small little emergency bag. I mean, if you're like a backpacker, this is perfect, because this is gonna save you on weight instead of having like a big, you know, sleeping bag. Yes, I know it's for emergency sleeping, you know, bag only, but still, you know, who knows? But definitely very happy with this. And once again, I'm going to repeat myself. Write those comments down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.